in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable the narrator feature on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. And now on the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side underneath vision, you want to go down and locate narrator. Go ahead and select that. And then there should be an item near the top that says use narrator. You can just toggle this to on position to turn it on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.